Did you see a trail that way?
No, I was just climbing a hill, man. I didn't know I was gonna fucking go off the other side like that.
Yep.
Alright, give me a second here.
Take a quick break.
Bad dream, man. Seriously.
I'm alright, bro.
Flat now, man. I didn't know if you'd be at a V. Flat up here, boy.
Fuck me.
Holy crap. It's like, there's the camera. Yeah, I don't think the bike's too fucked up. Right on the edge of the cliff. Did you get me?
I think so.
It's all on video. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You got some cactus in your thigh?
No, I don't think so. I think I missed the cactus.
Good thing you had gear on. Riddled everywhere.
I remember my fucking...
We got more tape.
You had gear on.
Good thing we saved tape. Hey, Jeff? Good thing you're geared up.
Okay, well, just wait. Let us get in there.
Yeah, we need all of us. And we'll just lift it out. Ready?
Whoops, sorry, buddy. Yeah, I have fucking no idea, man.
Well, be prepared.
Yeah.
Follow our trails.
Fucking made her up the hill, though.
Oh, yeah.
I was fucking surprised.
Well, I knew you'd make that.
Go! That's fine. Tire on tire.